Adele. We are live. We are live.
So is
this still the same one?
Now, just share here. Copy link.
We should have shared to WhatsApp.
To WhatsApp.
No, let me just share kwa hii group. Ikiwapo chini ndio kwa a bit too.
Not a bit. But now this stand is limited. Unless tufunge hapa ni hapa, tuendelee hata
Yeah, because I feel like you see.
Is it a figure zaidi?
Yeah.
So tufupishe tuweke hapa. That way.
Let me assume I'm presenting it.
Sawa. Watch hapo. Yeah. Bruce, songa hivi kidogo. It's good.
Hata mtu anapita mbaya. Huyu ni anapita. Mtu anapita hata ndiye anaweza konga.
Tusongeshe nani kidogo? Hivi kamchunga hivi, si ndio? Sasa ndio kwa control tower.
Mama nimepata bill.
Mpaka kazi.
Ndio na shule. Alafu hiyo anaweza shikilia. Sasa niwaonyeshe level.
So we're gonna start the next session in 4 minutes and we wrap up.
Oh, okay. Okay. Isaac, say hi. Hi. Say welcome to our YouTube channel. Sabina Miv, welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you think it's too far from the maybe your wall from the screen? One on the screen, Apple login from your new one. Come on, so maybe we can change it. If I have yeah, we can't see. But I'm thinking, I might even go to Bobby. We can see the whole. We can see the room and everything. But it's there. Hii kitu ikaja kwa screen haizi on. Hii kitu tukazoom ije kwa screen. The screen itself, you can see people, but the screen itself. So, do we move?
Yeah, we move because we cannot zoom. To the next step, mbele ya Jodom. Sawa.
This is better.
I will introduce all of you then to your way. Is that
Yes, I can. You can see. What if we go like one?
if something comes up and
One is going to sit. One is going to sit down. That is finishing. So you're moving this desk, you need to move to this. So we then you have this space.
you click present?
Can you do it here because you're moving there?
So let's settle down. We get started. So I want to take this opportunity to welcome everyone. It's been a good bootcamp, and the next session we're gonna see what our ladies have built from the 3-day event. It was quite intense, but then they've done their best. So be keen on the ideas they're presenting. If you're willing to mentor or sponsor some of them to make their ideas into a reality, feel free to reach out. So we're gonna start with the first presentation, which is crowdfund. Can we take the stage?
Our main aim with this app is to solve the problem of transparency. So, we're introducing this crowdfunding app. Crowdfunding has revolutionized the way projects are funded, allowing individuals to support ideas into living. So, our platform takes this a step further by integrating digital payments, solving the common problem of transparency. And our problem statement is traditional crowdfunding platforms often struggle with transparency and trust issues, leading to lack of clarity and trust issues in that people are not able to know how many people have contributed to a certain campaign, and also inefficient tracking. Then our solution we're going to enhance transparency in our app and to increase trust and efficient tracking. Our development process, we start to the group members, developing the app and testing it. We are yet to deploy it. The technologies we use React for front-end and Python for our back-end. Our main app features, we have a user is able to create a project or a campaign. We've also implemented different payments integration, project listings and such, and transparency features. Then some of the challenges we face our backend have issues incorporating the Python in order for us in our backend for our group members and also blockchain integration. Then now we're going to the demonstration. So this is our crowdfunding platform. We have a search bar where we're able to search for the campaigns. We included some of these campaigns mainly for African countries. For example, here we have the sustainable farming in rural Africa, bringing healthcare to rural communities, for solar power, for education for every child. And for every campaign, we have the title, the description, the goal for each campaign, and how much has been raised. Then for each platform, we have a virtual address. Then on each campaign, someone is able to donate and to view the donation history. And some user is also able to create a campaign. So I can share the link to one of them. So when you click on the donate button, you're able to donate and you get that notification showing you donated 0.1 BTC to this campaign, and you also want to get the transaction ID. Then on the same, you're also able to get the donation history. This is what we just donated, the amount, the donor address, the transaction ID, and the date. Then you're also able to create a campaign. And just use this.
No, we have to move it on the back of the capture.
So we added the campaign title, the description, where you need to see, and the imaging and the address. Then we want to project the campaign. And you can see it. The user is also going to project the donation history.
So let's give that team a hand. So the next one is Edu. Edu, welcome.
Okay. Why does it? It's okay. It's okay. Enough long.
Hi everyone. Good
Mkali.
afternoon.
Iko
So,
sawa?
presenting Bitcoin app,
So
and the
mkali.
slogan is Bitcoin made simple, learning made easy. The members of our team are Lynn, Maggie, Mercy, Grace, and Ted. So, for all the developers who are in the house right now, or anyone who's done or interacted with Bitcoin before, please, by the raise of hands, tell me how many had an easy time starting out. Raise your hand and tell me if you had it easy and just got it after a week or something. Okay, no, right? So our team discovered that one of the leading reasons for that is a lot of technical terms that are used in blockchain, right, and Bitcoin, and they are the right terms, right? But catching up can be quite hectic. And so many users find cryptocurrency platforms difficult to navigate due to this complex terminology, and this creates a barrier to entry. Our group, for your information, is a newbie group. We've been here for only 3 days. So I think that is one of the leading motivations to come up with this idea. So that introduces the Bitcoin app, which aims to solve this by simplifying the terms and processes, while also providing educational resources to help users understand and confidently use cryptocurrency. So you might be asking, what is the proposed solution? So we found out that so far what has been done is content creators in the space and developers have just managed to create videos and try and explain these terms in a simpler way. An example is Sajid, right, on Instagram, Sajid Kadir, who uses objects like Oreos, simple glasses of juices, and mixes them while explaining cryptocurrency terms. So, Edu app is an app that we hope to develop to simplify content. So, it provides simple content that explains Bitcoin in various levels. So on the app, there will be a beginner level, an intermediate level, and an expert level. And this helps anyone who wants to start a Bitcoin to choose their level of where they want to start from, and not just get into it and get bombarded with these big technical works. So that we cover how it works, its benefits, and its uses. Our second proposed solution is to design an intuitive interface for all user levels, breaking down complex Bitcoin concepts into an easy to understand content, and thirdly, add interactive features like quizzes, tutorials, and visual guides to engage users and strengthen their Bitcoin knowledge. And take from that. Good afternoon, guys. So our team literature review. Okay, I personally review Pythons because I have the app. I found it at first very complex to use because of a lot of features, and then for trying to use it to maybe trade Bitcoin, I was very confused at first, so it's not a beginner-friendly app. Then for Publish, I have a website called Publish OS, which is a website. It's a website that usually has articles based on opinion, but now since Bitcoin, I think you can say reading an article and section. You can read a section of an article and then you get to read at the end of the reading process. So, but the thing with the public works, I found out to be very congested. There are a lot of information. It also has a lot of ads on it. So based on the literature review, we thought that every Bitcoin could be a simplified app for new users or even people who are in the advanced section can just jump into whatever level they are in. So for the additional feature that we thought of doing a language conversion for people who might speak English as an alternative to English. And secondly, we thought of a section for digital modulations. If maybe or feel like you want to release an event that happens in the city, and then for also thought of having a customer service chatbot for instant feedback, because some people rely on
Good afternoon.
Kaza wapi?
Nimekaa kila mahali.
Hebu achilia.
Usiweke mkono mbele.
Okay. Sasa hii umeshika. Achilia. Sawa. Achilia.
Then you go in, you make, don't have an account, you have to sign up. You sign up to this page. Sign up. Homepage. There is a account user. That's the one to solve it. And if you are a beginner, which current beginner that you first. The first icon there for intermediate or advanced.
Let's welcome the next group. Let's give back to this and we welcome the students.
I think just drop the mic. Let's just use your voice. You have a beautiful voice. We all have beautiful voices.
First of all, I want to recognize my members and introduce them first. Not everyone is going to speak, but I want them to be known for their work.
Oh.
I'm Cynthia Nadongo, the team leader. I'm Mercy Wajiro, I'm a developer. Just a moment. In your introduction, please say which part you are taking part, front end and back end. Okay. I'm Mercy Wajiro, I'm a developer and I was looking for us in the front end lead.
I'm Martin Jerry, and mostly I focus on the support and art and the design of the shape presentation. Hi everyone.
We can't see you. You have to stand. We can't see you.
Hi everyone. Okay, I'm Adrian. I focus on art.
Sorry to interrupt. So I'm seeing some comments. Apparently, the people online didn't see your faces, so you have to move to the other side and start over. Sorry.
Okay, I guess we have to start again. I'm Cynthia Nadongo, I'm the team leader.
I'm Martin Jerry. I work for the front and art and the design of the shape.
I'm Mercy Wajiro, and I work with the front end lead.
I'm Abigail Schultz. I work for the group.
Sorry, Margaret, I work with the front end lead. These are the solution is called Impact Donate. It's a Bitcoin donation system for African Union developers, also people in the room. And let's go to this. Statement of the problem. And so, as a group, we sat down, tried to research on most problems. And the first thing we saw, some of the problems that we saw on them. One of the most significant challenges faced by women developers is getting funds to promote their startup project. You have an idea, you can visualize it, come up with something, but the funds to promote it to the end and actualize on the project, which has become instead of difficult unless you have connections. It's really hard to get the funds. Apart from that, we have limitation of funds. Most people are using cash, yet we are developers. We want something complicated, something unique, Bitcoin. Another thing, we have existing platforms, but they are too crowded. Not that we can't use them, but we can do better for others. There's also need of decentralizing our solution in that everyone can see. We have one source for everyone. Then we have missed opportunities. There's a lot of opportunities in the blockchain and Bitcoin world. So if you are able to mine onto something or come up with something good from Bitcoin, that is a good class. So the solution that we came up with for the above problems as Impact Donates, our platform provides women, African women developers with a way to secure funds. We'll get into it. Apart from that, it breaks financial barriers in that we have a platform that unites other Bitcoin developers, other developers to promote and support our programs. Apart from that, what we assure you, secure transaction, as you all know, you are able to see every transaction that comes in and every transaction that goes out. Also, Impact Connect, it provides a global support community. We'll get support from everyone, and it's focused on innovation. It's a good innovation. Our target market. So this platform, it's mainly built to support African women developers. It's not limited to women, to Africans, but most people, the trends out there, as you all know, Bitcoin is mainly crowded by the gents. And this organization has provided us with an opportunity to, as women, to flourish in this industry. So our target market, we have the university students, they are still uprising. So it's easy for someone to learn something new and get a good start. As long as you have someone directing you, that's a good deal. We have crypto enthusiastic guys. This is a platform for them. And we have global tech ecosystem supporters. This is still a class for them. Market size out there, over 420 million people worldwide, they're using cryptocurrency. That's an analysis. If you go online, you can check and confirm. We have from the scale, you can see developers keep on increasing. People using Lightning Network will keep on increasing. Everything is increasing. So there will always be a market, a target market for our solution. Yes, we have a solution, but we are not the first one with this solution. So if you check out there, we have our competitors. They do good in their project, but What is unique about our platform? It's exclusive for developers. So if you're a developer, be sure we will satisfy your needs, and this will be a good kickstart to support your project. Our project is entirely on Bitcoin.
Woo!
You can, it supports real-time transaction in that you can see where your money is going. It's going to this charity, you will track and get to see how the charity progress, and you receive value for your money, not money spent with no evidence. Okay. I'll ask. It's a good project. My colleague will continue from here.
So for this next part, I'll ask God, and we are not currently yet completed on the project, but if we completely deploy it, we are seeking funds because we are not yet deployed. We are seeking funds to move to the next step so that we can also onboard other developers to come so that they can also benefit from our project. So we are seeking that's an estimate of $25,000. We accept Bitcoin. Even that. So we accept even that. So this money we have derived it in 4 ways. The first one, the platform development, which will be 40%, and then the marketing and outreach, which will allocate 30%, and then for operational costs, 20%, research and partnership, 10%. Then, what we offer in return, since we've been granted that amount, we shall offer access to platform, insights and analytics, then sponsorship opportunities on the platform. Since you have been able to be sponsored to launch our project, now it's like we are a gateway to other developers. So, you developers are welcome. You get direct sponsorship from other people who want to relate to fund you to move to the next level of your startup. Then there is a share in the impact of empowering global innovation through the centralization. So when they empower us, we are also empowering other people. So yeah, that's then. That's also these are our team members. And yeah, thank you for giving us
Okay, now we'll go to the project. This is our first interface. We want to be part of Impact Unit. This is what you see first. So for the project, we come. I know we can do better, but this is what we have for now. So, you can see our mission, innovative projects, empowering women, shaping the future. So first we come, then explore projects. When you come to this tab, we have charity and projects. So on this tab, this is where we display current programs that need funding. If you have a good program of the project, please reach out to us because this is going to work. I can feel it. So we have, for example, this is an open source AI model for education. So if you come, if you're a donor, you come, donate now. I told you we're using Lightning. We've implemented Lightning. So you select how many sats you want to share to donate. Let's say that figure of 500. Then you can describe. Description is optional. You describe you are highly interested, or whatever you have to say. Then click on donate. An invoice, automatic invoice will be generated. You either copy the invoice, pay it, then come check for your payment. Payment was successful. Then we have a history to view transaction of money that has been shared. So this is for transparency, so that whoever is donating is sure the money has been deposited to the other side, and the charity can confirm there is a proof of work, proof of transaction. So after that, if you want to make another donation to another program, you come here, do the same, donate, select the amount you want to donate, give a brief description, donate, and proceed. I think that's all. Thank you.
So before she sits down, I actually love the project, but I want her to explain to us why it's important to have such platforms where you can actually see the transactions vis-a-vis the traditional donation or donating platforms that we currently have, which we use fiat. Okay, so you've just talked about having the list of transactions, right, for transparency. And we have the traditional platforms like NGOs, organizations that you get to send money. So I want you to explain, especially to the people who don't understand how Bitcoin works and the transparency, characteristics of it, why it's important to have such a platform that actually accepts such SATs or lightning payments.
So everyone knows money can make people fight. You can fall out with someone because of money. So what is different about Bitcoin is transparency, in that all transaction history, all transaction made since the first Bitcoin generated, there is a blockchain that shows history of transaction. So in our case, there is that. How do I frame it? Yes, it is. So, as you can see, it's not entirely a project, it was a group of
So to answer your question, we decided to focus on Bitcoin because with Bitcoin we eliminate the intermediaries from the traditional banking system, whereby the developer is able to access these funds directly in her own account. So they're able to trace, like, this is the account, you just open and see it there. And then it is fast. Just send it in like 2 seconds, it arrives. Unlike in traditional, whereby it has to take maybe 3 working days if it's a weekend. So it's convenient for this person to have immediate funds and start up her own project. And then for transparency, me as a donor, I want to know if this person was here. So there is a list of history of transaction. I can go and view even the amount that I donated to. The same case with the developer. She can also view the transaction, which address she received the SATs. Yeah.
Amazing. Seemingly, they really want that funds.
Okay, we do. I forgot to mention, so here on the charities, you can see we provided a section whereby how much is needed for this project. The way we told you, we only need $25,000. Then how much has been contributed so far? So you can see history that these work, people are trusting that work. So if someone else, if so and so contributed, why not me? See, you can both support this project. Thank you.
Our next and last tip is David Sutz. Kindly welcome to the stage.
As Simon is setting up, I'd like to invite my entire team. We could have done a series. I would like everyone in my team to introduce themselves. There are a group of residents and women. So let's start here.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Victoria. I'm a developer. For this project, I did the backend. Hi everyone.
Hi. There's complaint on the online. They can't see you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm Vera. I'm a developer. I worked on the slides.
Okay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Grace Odenesli. I'm also a developer. I focus on both the front end, the back end, and the workflow.
Hi. This is Sally, the shy one. Working backend and a bit in front end.
Thank you. And my name is Wandia Mogo, and I worked on the UX UI design for this group and the front end. So we'll get back into it. So we've already introduced our team, and we're going to go straight into the UI UX for this design. So initially, this was the plan for our app, right? So we used an Android prototype for our design, and right off the bat, we have been in DADA. And our hugest inspiration is women all across Africa. And so for us, we want to make impactful UX UI design. And that for us means relatability. We're women. We want colors. We want flamboyancy. I don't want to open an app and see black and blue anymore. That was the process. So I was like, what is the pinkest, gummiest user interface I can design? That's what you see right there. So back to the presentation. Just a minute. So we have our project, and our project basically came from the idea that as women we want to shop on Instagram, we want to shop for services, but right now in the fiat system we only have options for M-Pesa, right? And we're entering an era where privacy is very important. So you want to ensure privacy in your apps, you want to ensure you're not sharing your number with each other every time you buy a single product or service, right? And so for this, our objective was to design and build a streamlined Bitcoin and Lightning network payment system for seamless user onboarding, secure transactions, and an efficient wallet management, right? So our problem statement, I just talked about it, which was just ease of transaction using Bitcoin on social media apps. So you see, for example, how you go and you have options to pay with MasterCard, pay with Stripe, whatever it is. That's why our project is called Pay with Sats, because that will give you the option to go directly to your wallet and transact. Okay. I'll invite Grace to take us up on the next portion.
Hi, once again.
Hi.
I have a challenge. When there is something that you guys like, rather than clapping, please say pinky. Okay, so the problem we were trying to solve is your fees with Bitcoin and Lightning. For example, can you all hear me well? Yeah. Okay, for example, when you go to like an e-commerce, maybe like Alibaba, and you click the item that you want to buy, mostly we suffer, especially here in Africa, we suffer from taxation. The product's like $5, but what you end up paying due to taxation and all that will be such a huge amount. So with our problem solving, because of Bitcoin, the transaction will be just very minimal. The only thing that you have to pay is the gas fee, which is very low. The other thing we're solving is global accessibility. By this I mean, for example, if I'm a foreigner and I come into like our continent of Kenya, I do not need, according to our app, I do not need to include my name, I do not need to include my number. And if I have a number, sorry, if I need a number, I have to go to the Safaricom, it's going to be so hectic for a foreigner. So by this global accessibility, Bitcoin is general and it's going to be fair for everyone, even foreigners. Privacy focus, I think I've mentioned it. You don't have to use your name, you don't have to use your ID, you don't have to put your credit card over there. Real-time transactions, we're going to use Lightning where it's faster, a bit faster than Bitcoin. And then seamless integration, we're going to show you how our dashboard will work with just simple API routes. I think I can give it back to Wadia so that she can explain to us the MVP.
Yes, so I'm the salesperson. So for our specific product as of now, our minimum viable product is our UX UI design. It's our user onboarding. It's our ability to send payments and ensuring transaction security and transparency. So that is still a feature we're working on once we integrate how you can log in with the public key, which we'll explain later. So yes, so we have our process, which starts with user onboarding. So we have wallet creation and recovery. Then we have wallet management, which means our dashboard will display the balances that you have, right, in your wallet. Then we have the payments, which is the sending. So you have your address and amount, which will show in the demo. And then for confirmation, we have now a page that tells us the transaction is successful. So I'll allow Grace to take us through the demo.
So we decided to do like a small video to showcase what our application does. So please, let's pay attention to that. So you come here and you create your wallet. Enter your wallet name. We call ourselves the Sharks. And then it will create a wallet. And then it will take you to a page where it will ask you to make like a payment. It will ask you for the address, you key in the address, the amount in sats. I think we have a limitation of how much sats you can send. And then you just click send payment. And then it will give you a transaction successful page. You can also check your balance and it will give you insights.
So that information is already a working prototype, so that's up as we speak. So the technologies that we used were Figma. We did the front end with Python Flask and into the back end with Python, Canva, and Bitcoin Core. So our key achievements have been successfully creating a functional Bitcoin wallet workflow. The second one has been integrating user-friendly interfaces for sending and receiving Bitcoin payments, and an optimized backend operations with Bitcoin Core RPC and the LND which we're working on. So that's just a bit of bit philosophy. Our motto is security, security, security. We are moving in an age of anonymity, so not your keys, not your coins. Don't trust, verify. Freedom is the ability to choose your own destiny. Remember that. So for our conclusion, this project demonstrates the potential of Bitcoin and Lightning networks in creating scalable, secure, private, and user-friendly payment solutions. Then our future outlook for this project, if we got the funding and when, actually it's not when we get the funding, we will scale the platform for broader adoption. We will have continuous improvements in our UI UX design. We will integrate advanced security features, and our best feature which we're looking forward to integrating is using your public key as your identifier. So in Bitcoin, you have something we call your public key, right? It's a very unique identifier, but it doesn't create privacy issues, right? So instead of registering with your number or Google Chrome or whatever, you'll be able to just put the public key, and that will already start creating the transactions for you, right? So that will solve a huge problem in sharing personal data. So thank you very much, and I welcome any questions.
Woo!
Does anyone have any questions, comments?
I have a question.
Yes.
How much are you looking at raising?
Yes. Go extra. If I go extra, I'll tell you $100,000. But we can scale the project and see exactly the amount we need and get back to you with that quote.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. The first and biggest challenge we face is the Lightning network. So we try to open LND channels, which wasn't really working, and so we couldn't really incorporate that feature into our app, which we wanted to show you, and that's by far the biggest thing we face. But also, we'd like to really improve the UX UI design. So I intend on looking for more resources for that, see how we can do that. Yes, actually, sorry, I forgot to say this. You can see in our logo, we wanted it to be very a woman holding Bitcoin, because I feel like Marcel has really knocked that point into our head that we have to fight for our financial freedoms, right? And so we have to start by centering women's needs and by creating apps that are intuitive to what women need, right? So thank you for noticing that. Very intentional. Thank you so much for listening.
Last question.
Yeah.
So other than the funding, what kind of support would you be looking for?
Okay.
And this goes to all other projects as well.
Okay.
Other than funding, of course, that's like the biggest challenge. What kind of support would you be looking for?
I feel like this is for everyone. As you can testify, none of us here knew about Bitcoin Core or this written code for Bitcoin. We all started being like September. It's barely even 3 months, but we've been able to pull off all this. So we'd like to have like more resources, and then we can get like, especially how to connect our applications with Learning, because I feel like Learning is it's like a global problem for all of us, like not being able to connect through Learning. So if we can get resources to enable us like learn more, and also be able to like incorporate into like real life applications that would help us.
Awesome.
I think also from a sociological perspective, I think we'd like opportunities to teach, to pay forward the thing. Because I feel like 2 months ago I was so frustrated. My first class I was like, what is LND? What is this? And now having the confidence to create a full functioning app gives me so much, like, so many ideas. So I feel like if we can create like maybe classes where, okay, another level is coming and the women who want to be taught Bitcoin can always contribute in those ways.
Awesome. So I want to pass on the question, to every other project that we have, other than funding. Which other, sorry? Yeah. Me? It's fine. So group 2, group 3, is there anything you'd want the global community to help you with?
For group 2, at the moment I'd say we need Simon and the team, the developers, to still support us. On the payment channel, we want it to be much better. So if we get someone to guide us, a mentor, we have something working, but we can do better. And the funds.
Thank you so much, ladies. Those were good presentations. Any comments from the crowd? Or something to motivate them, inspire them?
So for technical support, I would encourage you guys to make your project open source, so that then when Marcel maybe posts on Twitter, she can just be like, oh, this guy is a technical support with Lightning, and then anyone can come in and assist you guys. But also, I'm really impressed. Like, you guys are really badass. And I know some of you joined like a few days ago, others have been doing it for 3 months. I don't even have words to explain how impressive this presentation has been. The confidence, the technical knowledge, like you guys are inspiring to keep living and be better. But yeah, like don't stop here. I know some people are gonna be like, bye, this is the end. Don't stop. Keep building. You have so much knowledge now. So just push on, and you have a supportive community. So yeah, I'm really excited.
Someone else doing something? Those who have come to see the graduates, maybe you have a comment, an opinion.
I'm inspired I am bored and I want to learn. Please pick me. Don't hold my hand. Yes, they hold my hand. I want to learn. I want to join you. I want so many things. You people are beautiful. You are brilliant. You confident, and I'm proud to be associated with this community.
I'm glad you're already starting to inspire others. So that marks the end of our presentations. So in case you have or you want to support any of the teams, you can reach out to us or myself or individual team leads, the ones who have presented. So don't feel shy. If you know someone who can help them with like payment gateways, feel free to connect with them. At this juncture, I'm gonna welcome myself to share the next steps. Thank you so much.
Okay.
It's for just anyone. How do you feel when you see the people that you taught are doing our now?
Myself, I'm actually amazed because it took me almost 2 years to like get a grasp of what you guys have done in 3 days. So I'm actually challenged, and it feels good. Like motivates me to keep catching more and more and sharing this knowledge. So I'm saying it's having a good impact. People actually building actual solutions to solve what they're facing. So that's really motivating. Thank you.
What men can do, women can do better. It's a saying. Anyway, thank you so much, Simon. You have been a wonderful lead tutor for our girls, and the patience that you've actually had in us is amazing. We really appreciate you. For those who don't know, Simon is our lead developer as well as our lead tutor at DADA. So, just a bit of what inspired me to start DADA. So if you know Bitcoin DADA basically is Bitcoin basic fundamentals, and we had technically inclined females in the community who sort of felt like they are missing out, right? And I felt like it is time to create a community where these women can actually break barriers, contribute, build as well by learning and getting the knowledge on Bitcoin development. So that's how DADA started. And I am so proud of this particular team. It's not easy. It has been 2.5 months, 3 months, you know, every Tuesdays and Thursdays, learning, trying to grasp something as technical and as new as Bitcoin, right? I'm good? Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm really proud of you ladies, and for the group that actually just started, I'm also proud of you. I mean, 3 days and they've already come up with an idea. Let's give them a hand. These kids had no idea what Bitcoin was. They just decided to show up for the bootcamp, and you know, there was this overload of information, and you know, they had to build like a project, create a project, come up with an idea, and actually did something. So I'm really proud of you, and I hope to see you in the next cohort of the DADA. That said, I think we can move to the next item, which is why some of you are here at the graduation of this wonderful lady. I'm going to make it really simple and short. And so the first thing that we're going to do is issue certificate of participation for the bootcamp. Coming here from Thursday. Siku ya maandamano kwanza. That was good. That shows how dedicated and committed you are to, you know, improving your life and the lives of the community around you. So I'm really glad that you are actually committed from Thursday to till today. So I'm just going to give these to the following: Lee, Martini. We have a new. We have Daisy Dessa. I mean, you can show off. We have Vera. We have Terry. And then there's Shikhan's Musani Abigail as well. We have, Abigail. Yeah, she's still tired. She was running. We have Cynthia Nadongo. We have Google Elizabeth. And then we have Margaret Gavoni. Then we followed by Grace Alima. You're a newbie, right? Okay. Masinjeri. Those who have families. Proud of you, girl. Ruth. Akeo Orero. I like that those names. Masinjeri. Oh, yes. You're going to Photoshop that photo. Victoria. The baby of the class. And then last but not least, Grace.
This is just the beginning. Watch this space.
Okay, so. Sorry. No, if you're in DADA Dells, it's fine. We're going to take a photo unless you're anything. Okay, let's do you. Okay. So the other one will be more dramatic. So this next set of certificates, we're going to have a little bit of drama. DJ Kite with the DJ. What is it? Then you don't do that. Okay, so It's in no order, so it's not like this is number one, this is number two, just so you know. So I'll start with Daisy and San. So we have Jojo, we have Simon, we have Brandon, we have Jason, we have Isaac, we have Colin. Thank you so much, Colin, for just getting in on time. We have Naoma. So please, you're going to help me with this next set of issuing of the certificate. So Massinjeri, let Simon issue this. And then Isaac, please, and Vera. No. I would like, no, it's got you from your brother, Isaac. Congratulations. So we have Peggy and Jason. And then we have Musani, Abigail, and Jordan. And then we have Masi and Brandon. Oh, Masi Wanjiro. Brandon is also one of the best developers we have in the space. That's so good. We have Group 1A and each other. Colin, thank you so much for volunteering. We have Cynthia Nadongo. Naoma. We have one here. I believe, like I said, congratulations to all the graduates and to the delegates who just got into this space. Let not this be the end of it all. I want to see your project scaling. We're here to support you. Simon and all the other Bitcoiners in the house, I believe so. We're here to support you. Just feel free to reach out. The DADA community will still remain. that doesn't mean now we push you out. You'll still be a DADA at the end of the day. That's it. I don't know if we have any other item that you're left with me. Is there anything?
We want to unveil the duty.
Yeah.
I think one of the girls mentioned opportunity to come back and teach. So we wanted to do that to have trainers. But as well make the announcement now.
Okay. Okay, so this was supposed to be for next year, but now since she's like, so we are working on DADA devs on scaling it up. So this was like the first cohort, trial and error, see what works, what doesn't work. So next year we want to, train the tutors who are going to be with you guys, right? So we want to absorb the developers to be part of the DADA devs. So we're not going to have any other sign-ons out there coming in, but we're going to have our own developers training other devs in the community. So like, what was her name? Mogashi said, the more active you are, the higher your chances of actually being seen and getting the opportunity. So continue being active, show your work out there, put your work out there, and who knows? Who knows? Anything else? No. Okay. Yes.
Big tips.
Anything else? That is. Anything? You see, man. You see, like. So. Okay. So that's it. I want to wrap it up by announcing the bidders, which is happening on the 30th. Same place, same time. It's for developers. It's actually being run by Simon himself and Jordan. So feel free to join the community, get to learn from them. They can be your mentors as well. I would want the Bitcoiners to introduce themselves and tell us what they do in the space, and then we can break it up. We have some tea and snacks for you in the restaurant. Go enjoy network. Make sure you have interacted with one Bitcoiner. Follow them as well so that you can learn. So I'm just going to start here. 30 seconds.
29, 28. My name is Jerome Kunuko. I go by the name OK Jerome anywhere on the internet. I am a former, sometimes still contributing to the Ferryman protocol, summer protocol, Bitcoin protocol engineer. I am a Lightning developer, I build a company called BitCircle, which essentially is, you take a circle, then you provide access to Bitcoin through that, right? I am a community builder alongside some amazing names and faces you'll hear in the group. So we run Bitters Nairobi, and that is a space for you to come and learn about tech called Bitcoin. Carrying on the same energy that you have here and join us in that community. So,
Okay, so where can we find you on Twitter again?
Okay, Jodo.
Okay, Jodo. That's on Twitter.
Hello everyone, my name is Jason, digital nomad, wound up in Kenya. I am the co-founder of Tango, which is an app experience I'm working on that makes it easy for anyone to spend Bitcoin anywhere in Kenya and MPC is accepted. And I would just like to congratulate you on actually building, because that's the hardest part of building something. So, good job.
Tango. Can you hear me? Okay. So Tango, co-founders, team.
Hello, my name is Colin Kundo. Congrats to the graduates. Happy to be here with you. I'm a Lightning developer. I haven't done anything in space for a long time, but I don't want to forget your wallet. Go follow it. We're working on something new. And I think that's it. Happy to see you guys again.
Have you noticed something with developers? They don't want followers. If it was us, follow me at Marcel Lorraine. CTC DADA. Okay, DADA does as well. Brandon.
Hi everyone, my name is Brandon. I contribute to Bitcoin Core. I'm really proud of you guys. I was surprised when I had you guys with Bitcoin RPC. So really shout out to that. We run Bitdevs Nairobi every last Friday of the month, and I'm hoping I'm going to see a lot of your faces there.
So, what time do you speak? The 30th, what time?
It starts around 11 a.m.
11 a.m. Okay. So I think we have Naoma. Oh, baby.
Hi everyone. Hi. My name is Naoma and I contribute to this show.
Hi everyone. So my name is Isaac. I am a software developer. I have contributed to academics, also project certificates. I'm a fellow at Bishop's Builders, shall we run as DADA. Organizer of Bitdevs Nairobi. We look forward to seeing you next week.
We love Isaac. So I want to just give Rosalina a chance because she's doing something in the space. She hasn't been in the space for very long, but she has her baby that she's working on.
Okay, good evening guys. Good evening. My name is Rosaline. I am a Bitcoin DADA, start with, a cohort 2, and I am a very proud one. I am building something called Biashara, whereby we are leveraging Bitcoin as a mode of payment to create a Bitcoin circular economy. How we do that is we introduce Bitcoin, we teach the interested parties about Bitcoin basics, we introduce wallets, and if you are up to the task, we onboard you. And then we map you into the BTC map. So that is where we are. Thank you.
If you have a business or you know a business that you actually recommend or want them to start accepting Bitcoin, please see Rosalie. Her page is, I think the developer be at Biashara KE. Beat Biashara KE across all social media platforms. Oh, there's no KE. Beat Biashara. Okay. Have I missed anyone? Who? Who? The team. Oh, our team. Oh, sorry. So I have my team at Bitcoin DADA. I'm saying Bitcoin DADA because DADA Dev is actually a project or a program under Bitcoin DADA. So for those who don't know what Bitcoin DADA, it's a non-profit organization that aims at empowering African females through financial education, and we leverage on Bitcoin to do that. So at Bitcoin DADA, we teach the basics of Bitcoin, and at DADA Devs, we actually go onto the technical side. So I have an amazing team that helps me do this. I don't run this by myself, and I would want them to come here and just, no, don't come. After what I did.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm Sabrina. Adina. I'm kidding. So I'm a content creator and social media manager at Bitcoin DADA. Yeah, that's why you see me with this camera on your faces all the time. And I'm also co-founder Tando, which you're working on. And yeah.
What is Tando?
Oh, so something is a mobile app that allows you to spend Bitcoin anywhere in Kenya and Bitcoin accepted. So you don't have to convert your Bitcoin to dollars or cash, just spend it directly. And yeah, make that seamless and easy for all of you. So right now, the app is not working, but it's because we are working on it behind the scenes. I mean, we have, yeah, I want to talk to us about it. But yes, that's why it's not available right now. But in a week or 2, we'll be back live. And you can continue enjoying.
Hi girls. Hi guys. Sorry.
here we all identify as divas, right? First and foremost, I want to say to the girls, we are extremely proud of you. Extremely. So going forth and spread what? The gospel of Bitcoin. So my name is Neve, Chief Comedian, Project Manager at Bitcoin DADA. I curate these experiences for you. So anytime you come to our events, Neve from the team. Yeah. Thanks so much for being here. We appreciate your presence. And we hope to see more of you. Also, if you're here as a guest, or you're just here, or also the graduates, please tell our sister to tell our sister, Bitcoin DADA is there, the way, the truth, the life. Life, whichever you choose. Thank you so much.
All protocols observed. My name is Adela Ikanaiza. I am the community manager Bitcoin DADA. I am the bridge between Bitcoin DADA and the community. So when you see me, see Bitcoin DADA. I am the brand ambassador of Bitcoin DADA. So okay, so last but not least, I am Marcel Lori Atieno. For those who don't know my last name, it's Atieno. Feel free to use any. And I'm the founder of Bitcoin DADA. So with that said, thank you so much for coming to our event, and to the Dadas again, congratulations. Please, the restaurant is on your left, the news are on your right. Feel free to use any.
So
they sit here. Okay. Okay, is that like, so we just random self-service. Okay, so they sit here.
Bitcoin has gone up. We know we have money, so.
To all the ladies that graduated, kindly check in the WhatsApp group and this.
And to the graduates, we want to do like one photo before you start taking tea, because I know you'll be confused by the tea. So if we can do that right now, we let our guests first serve themselves, and then ask you to take the photo now. So that is waiting on you. We just put it here. So for the guests, don't be shy. Feel free to serve yourself. Imagine. How do you stop this? I think it's on the. Gives you X. Gani? Oh, yeah, X.